In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit scroll area in Microsoft Excel Worksheet. This is a great way to keep users focused on the cells that matter, prevent accidental edits in far-off areas, and give dashboards or data entry sheets a clean, guided feel. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each option does, and share a few quick tips to help you avoid common hiccups. First, make sure the worksheet you want to control is active. Now head to the ribbon and open the Developer tab. If you don't see it, that's okay. Some Excel setups hide it by default. You may need to enable the Developer tab in your Excel options later, but for now, work with it if it's already available. With the Developer tab open, look for the Controls group and select Properties. This brings up the Properties window for the currently active sheet. If the window doesn't appear, or it looks empty, click a blank cell on the sheet and try again to ensure Excel knows which sheet you're targeting. In the Properties window, locate the box labeled ScrollArea. This field controls where users can move the selection within the sheet. Click into that box and type a rectangular range that defines your allowed area, something like A1F30. Use standard Excel notation with the top left cell first and the bottom right cell second. Choose a range that fully covers your headings, data, input cells, and any buttons or shapes you want people to reach. Keep in mind that this is a continuous block. It's best to plan a neat rectangle that fits your layout. When you're happy with the range, click OK to apply the change. The effect is immediate. Try scrolling or using the arrow keys now. You'll notice you can't move the selection outside the boundaries you set. The vertical and horizontal scroll bars will stop at the edges of your defined area, and page up or page down won't jump beyond it either. Everything outside remains visible if it was on screen, but you can't navigate into it. If you need to resize the allowed area later, just repeat these steps, return to the Properties window, and adjust the range. To remove the restriction altogether, clear the scroll area box and confirm, and the sheet will return to normal navigation. That's all there is to it. By limiting the scroll area, you create a controlled, user-friendly worksheet that keeps attention where it belongs and reduces mistakes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you set up your own sheets.